Oh my God, y'all, this car just fucking started. I didn't even fucking know. Nobody was even fucking in it the whole damn time. Oh my, this is the shit I'm talking about. I didn't even know nobody was in that motherfucking car. Y'all. High as a kite. I'm like, what? The car just started. Ooh, Lord, I don't know. I don't know whether I want some food. But what I want is success. What I want is not revenge. What I want is peace, money flowing, money blessings, tranquility, hope, optimism, faith, love.